Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add WooCommerce variation swatches for size, colors, and images. Let's get started. So in order to do that, we need to add in here a plugin. So just search in here for swatch, and then you should be able to see in here some search results related to this particular plugin that you have. So we have in here this variation swatches for WooCommerce. Head over and click on this install option right here. And then from in there, it will install itself. And then once it's been installed, just head over and click on this activate option that will show after that. Now, as you can see right here, we have now this get Woo plugins and swatches settings. Head over and click on that swatches settings right here in order to see the settings for this one. Now, you can see that you can actually change up the tooltip, the style sheet, the drop downs as well. So for example, let's choose in here this rounded shape in order to make this. And then from there, you can also change up the advanced theme, but make sure to save the changes first. Now, once you have saved your changes, you should be able to change up the advanced, styling, product page, archive, and all of these things. Let's head over right here to our advanced page right here. Now, you can clear this. You can also change the styling for this. And you can also change up the product page for this one. And you can see in here the color and all of these things right here. For example, let's choose in here cross color of pink since my shop is pink and the thick color will be like this right here. So for example, let's choose some kind of violet as a thick color. Now you can also see in here the product page as well. Don't forget to save the changes in here. Now you can also change up the special attributes, group, tutorial, and all of these things right here. Now let's see what it looks like right now. So as of right now, I have this. This is my product. It has variations, and it has variations right here for different sizes. So you can see that we have now this rounded things right here for our variation swatches. I also have in here this other product and also have this colors right here that will show us this really cute swatches. Now we can head over right here to our edit product, and then from in there we can see this swatches settings. Now you can actually change in here swatches settings, but take note that a lot of things that can actually make this creative is only available for the pro version of the settings of the product or the plugin that we have. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.